Hello friends, this is part 1 of web application development series. So this is a complete guide on web application development or website development. This course contains more than 100 videos explaining the basics and advanced concepts related to website development. And if you are a complete beginner or a seasoned programmer and you don't have any prior knowledge in web application development, this is one of the best course for you where you will learn the step by steps basics of HTML, JavaScript, CSS and Bootstrap and many more. Okay. So if you are already into web development but but not familiar with few of the concepts, then you may directly jump to the related sections. For example, you may not be well versed with the CSS, so you can directly go to the CSS sections. Okay. Now the question arises, why should you learn website development? Now there are a lot of website builder applications, like Wix, WordPress, that are available on internet and which help you to create websites on the fly. Then why should you even bother about learning website development, right? If you simply type website builders free, then you can see a lot of app options are available, like Wix is there, Weebly is there, Site123 or WordPress.com, right? So there are already so many website builders available that help you to create the websites, but still there is a requirement, like you should know how to do the web development, right? Why? The reason being, okay, you have developed a website from these builders, but if a change comes and you do not know like the basics of website, like what HTML you should change or what CSS you should change, then it becomes a lot harder to make even a simple change. Even a simple heading color changes, if you don't know the basics, like where you should make the change, then it is really tough situations for you. Okay, for simple things you can do the googling and all, but still there are situations like where complex logics are involved and you do not know like where you should make the changes. Then you should learn the website development in that cases. If your customer wants the application flow to be different than the existing, then it becomes a difficult situation for you. For example, the customer wants, I mean, there is a one page that customer does not entirely want, or he wants some changes in that page, right? So in that case, if you do not know the basics, then again it becomes very difficult for you. Then learning web development offers you more flexibility where you can design your own website from scratch and as well as make changes to any existing website templates. Okay. Then in this complete course, what we are going to learn? Then first is HTML basics and advanced, CSS basics and intermediate, then Bootstrap 4, JavaScript basics and advanced concepts, DOM manipulation, jQuery basics and advanced. This is mainly from the front end, and from the backend side, backend basics, command line, Node.js and server-side frameworks, and databases. And finally, website hosting. What are the software requirements? One is Visual Studio Code Editor, one of the most famous code editor for mm, website development. It is lightning fast, offers you a lot more flexibility, many shortcuts available. Okay, and you should have any search engine like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. But Google Chrome is a preferred choice because it offers you a lot more debugging options. So that's it for this session. Thanks for listening and have a great day.